The 10 habits that will increase your attractiveness and make people like you. The majority of people believe that attractiveness is completely determined by one's physical appearance. True, some people are born with attractive features. They benefit from their attractive physical appearance for the majority of their life. Attraction, on the other hand, is about much more than your face, body, hair, or clothes. Here are 10 habits you can start applying into your everyday routine to instantly improve your attractiveness, regardless of your physical look. 1. Always say thank you. These two simple words may make a huge difference in someone's day, even if they are overused at times. It only takes a few seconds to reflect on and appreciate what you have been given. Always remember to say thank, even if it's for something little like someone holding the door open for you. 2. Smile. There's a reason why people who are cheerful and pleasant have more friends and admirers. Happiness is said to be the most attractive expression. Positive emotions attract people, and a smile expresses warmth and openness. So, don't forget to smile and often. 3. Look after yourself. People who look after themselves are more attractive because they exhibit self-discipline. Being in charge of yourself means that you can meet your basic requirements and that you are not seen as a problem by others. Healthy eating, frequent exercise, and attention to your physical, mental, and emotional health should all be part of your daily routine. 4. Be calm. We can all agree that seeing someone scream or lash out in a harmful manner is a terrible sight. And there are moments when we just can't help but react. That's not a good idea. Take a moment to consider the situation before you react. It's best to remain calm and simply discuss things out. You'll be able to understand others a lot better as a result, and you'll be able to form stronger bonds with them. 5. Speak positive words. You are free to express your unhappiness with things, people, or circumstances. But, at the end of the day, you aren't helping your own development. And you certainly don't make others like you any better. People enjoy being in the company of people who make them feel good. But how do you go about doing that? You can begin by speaking positive words and lavishing praise on others. Receiving that kind of energy makes others happy, and it makes them like you even more. 6. Forgive others and forget. We've all been disappointed and upset at some point in our lives. And, while letting go can be tough, it is important. Anger, envy, and carrying grudges are all unattractive habits to have. They only breed negativity in you and bring you down. Not only can forgiving someone who has harmed you make you a better person in their eyes, but it will also make you appear mature and wise. 7. Surprise people around you. When you tell someone you're going to do something for them, they expect you to follow through. Instead, surprise them every time. It's a lot more memorable and significant than just completing what you said you'd do. It's not only the present that will brighten their day, it's the thought that put into motion. 8. Do something nice for someone you don't know. Every day, look for ways to be kind to others. It'll surprise you how fantastic it feels. Help someone with anything or simply smile at a passerby. Most people will not make the effort to execute these small acts, but they will show respect if you do. You will not only feel better, but your kind act will be highly appreciated. 9. Be curious about the world and everything. The only way to attract other people's interest in you is to be curious. Find out how things operate. Examine why people act the way they do and try to understand what motivates them. Read some interesting books and keep up with what's going on in the world. People automatically think you're knowledgeable and fascinating when you have a lot more to say. 10. Start a conversation. When we're out of our comfort zone and away from familiar groups of people, we usually feel uncomfortable. People who take the initiative and introduce themselves to others, on the other hand, are the ones who are entirely at ease in their own environment, a very attractive characteristic. So, push yourself out of your comfort zone and strike up a conversation with someone you've never met before. You'll instantly surprise them, and you might even gain confidence as a result. Is there anything else you can think of to add to this list of simple habits? If so, please let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.